Hello and welcome to Welding with Noobs. Today we have a guest, Sarah, and she's studying journalism, and this is the first time that you're welding with Welding Droid, right?
Yes.
And you have never welded before?
Never ever.
Never? I'll take you through how to weld with this, and in 5 minutes you are a perfect welder. Sarah,
Great.
now you take this and then you go to the program. You have the program there. Yes. Then you take this joystick controller. Just lift up the helmet again so you can see we are not welding yet. Then this tungsten, the wolfram, has to line up with this line. So if you move to the sides,
Right there.
a bit too much, a little back. Yes, and then go a little bit down. Yeah, around there. And then if you flip down the helmet
Yes.
and you sit here right in front so you can move this one to the sides. Then on this controller you just press start. Yeah.
Just one push.
Yeah, one push. And now you sit here and watch it weld, and then you adjust it to make sure it's on the line. So now, Sarah, you are welding by yourself. Just make sure it's on the line, yeah? Looks perfect, Sarah.
Nice.
Very good. And you're sure you haven't been welding before?
Yes, I'm pretty sure it's my first time.
You would have known, yeah?
Yes.
So you're controlling it by yourself.
Mm-hmm. All right.
So Sarah, you made a perfect weld. You are now officially a welder. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How easy was that?
It was pretty easy.
Yeah?
I just needed to make a bit of some adjustments
Yeah.
with the controller.
Correct.
Just once in a while, but other than that, it takes care of itself.
Perfect. So this was the first noob that we had to try to weld with our machine, and she did it in one take. So congratulations, Sarah. You are now a welder.
Thank you.